26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Committed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good start. All right, we got one down for your leaders. We got one down. We got two down for your leaders. We got three down for your leaders. We have a dead boat turn 2, we have a dead boat turn 1, dead boat turn 2, and a dead boat turn 1. Finish first, and what lap are we on? Literally. Okay, so our last lap. Beautiful, finish second. You're good to cut the course and bring them in. All right. Thunderboat, all of you guys need to be down here. Thunderboat. I would like to start you as soon as the retrieval boat hits the shore.
1 minute, 30 seconds to mill time. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time. "45 seconds to mill time. "30 seconds to mill time.
Do I have any objections? Perfect.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18,
There's a lot of you,
17,
so make sure I can see
16,
your hands.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Committed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, your first legal boat is that red boat. First two are over. Who is that? Claim yourself. It's Daniel and Mike. We're not legal. So this is going to be your start. There is a lot of you, so make sure you call stuff that you see. Keep your hands up. We have a dead boat way out yonder. Don't even worry about it. Correct. Alright, I'm not 110% sure where everyone is, so when I say where you finish, remember it. Okay, I think I got it. We got last lap Robert, we got last lap Nick, we have a last lap Mike. We have a last lap Daniel, we have a last lap Joe. Remember where I tell you you end. So this is going to be first Robert, this is going to be a second Nick, this is going to be a third Mike. Or no, why? Why not? Okay, so you don't, okay, so third Daniel. Fourth Joe. Remember this, people. And this is a finish Mike.